The advantages of exercise bikes are undeniable, but when you combine that with the convenience of a foldable design, you've got a winning combination. The best folding exercise bikes provide the perfect solution for anyone who wants to stay fit but is limited by space constraints at home. With a simple fold, your room transforms into a personal gym, allowing you to exercise without any interruptions. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best folding exercise bikes you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Number 5. Lanos Workout Recumbent Exercise Bike. Introducing the Lanos Workout Bike, the perfect solution for anyone looking to lose weight and stay in shape from the comfort of their own home. With a phone holder, 10 levels of magnetic resistance, and an LCD screen to track your fitness results, you'll have everything you need to get started on your fitness journey. The bike is also ultra-quiet thanks to its precision-balanced flywheel, making it the perfect choice for anyone who wants to exercise in peace. With just 30 minutes of daily use, you can burn 200 to 300 calories and achieve a toned physique in no time. The bike also folds into a flat storage position, making it an ideal choice for those with limited space. At just $163, the Lanos Workout Bike is an affordable and convenient solution for anyone looking to get in shape and improve their health. Number 4. Urevocardio xfolding Exercise Bike. The Urevo Foldable Exercise Bike is the perfect solution for anyone looking to get fit in the comfort of their own home. With its space-saving design, this exercise bike can be easily folded and stored without taking up too much space. It also comes with a 16-level tension system that can be adjusted to your preferred intensity, as well as an elastic drawstring to engage your arms during exercise. The extra-large seat and sturdy steel frame provide maximum comfort and support during your workout, with a weight capacity of up to 330 pounds. The LCD monitor tracks your progress, including heart rate, speed, time, calories, and more. The tablet holder and phone stand allow you to stay entertained while exercising. The Urevo Foldable Exercise Bike is the perfect combination of science and fun, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to stay active and healthy. The price is $180. Number 3. Barwing Folding Exercise Bike. The Barwing Exercise Bike offers a comprehensive workout experience for fitness enthusiasts of all levels. With 16 adjustable magnetic resistance levels and 8 seat height adjustments, this bike provides a customized workout experience. Additionally, it also has 2 seat angle adjustments and 3 workout bike posture adjustments, allowing you to exercise in an upright, reclined, or folded position. The upgraded magnetic resistance ensures a quiet riding experience, while the heavy-duty steel frame provides stability and support for up to 300 pounds. The X-Bike's easy assembly, with an average time of 90 minutes and detailed instructions, makes it accessible to all types of users. Whether you're looking to burn calories or simply improve your cardiovascular health, the Barwing Exercise Bike is the perfect choice for you. Priced affordably at $199, it is an excellent value for your money. Number 2. Maciox Folding Exercise Bike. The Micyox Indoor Exercise Bike offers a complete workout experience in the comfort of your own home. With its 16-level magnetic resistance, 7-level seat height adjustment, and arm resistance bands, you can customize your workout to suit your individual needs. The wide and comfortable seat, fine workmanship, and durable frame ensure a smooth and comfortable ride, while the silent design means you can exercise without disturbing others. The large LCD display and built-in phone or pad holder allow you to monitor your progress and stay entertained at the same time. Designed with space in mind, this foldable stationary bike is perfect for those who don't have much free space. It folds down to just 10.63 by 53.15 inches and comes with transport wheels for easy movement. An extra exercise mat is also included to protect your floors and increase stability. The Maciox Indoor Exercise Bike supports up to 265 pounds and is available for just $159. making it an affordable option for a complete workout experience at home. Number 1. Ativafit Foldable Fitness Indoor Cycling Bike. Introducing the Ativafit Exercise Bike, the ultimate workout companion that promises to revolutionize your fitness journey. This foldable bike offers a seamless monitoring experience with its advanced sensors that track your distance, speed, time, and heart rate, providing you with the right data to assess your progress. With its comfortable and wide seat, the Ativafit exercise bike can hold up to 265 pounds, making it a suitable choice for users of all body types. The X-type design of the frame provides a stable and sturdy platform for your workout sessions, eliminating the risk of falling down. The bike's quiet operation, thanks to the magnetic control flywheel, allows you to enjoy your favorite TV show or music while you work out. The foam holder adds to the excitement, making your workout experience more interesting. Compact and easy to move around, the Ativafit exercise bike can be easily folded and stored in your wardrobe, taking up minimal space. The Ativafit exercise bike is priced at $199, making it an affordable and practical investment in your health and fitness. That just finished our video. Which one is your favorite? Why not let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed the video, give us a like. If you want to see more high-quality videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and you'll get the latest videos straight to your mailbox. That way, you'll never miss a future upload. See you on the next video.